Hey guys, another blacktop sealer removal job we got. So what happened here is the sidewalk got it pretty bad. It rained after they put down the sealer, and just the way that this is pitched, you can tell, but that's all sloped to come back this way, and then this is all sloped to come this way. So it's pretty much made to pool up down here. And that's pretty heavy. I don't really know what to expect, but and it looks like maybe someone walked their dog through it or something. So a little bit of a city walk to clean. Mix up some of that graffiti remover, some of that stripper, and let it sit. See what I can do. Alright guys, just got wrapped up here. Everything cleaned up really good. I'm surprised. I didn't really have high hopes. Here, we just got some dirty water pool in here. Sometimes with the grade of things, you know, it's all that you could do. Let the rain wash away some dirty water. As long as we got the deep clean done. And when it dries up, everything will look really good. You might notice some leaf staining in here. What I did is I just took and sprayed it down with some of the Home Depot HDX outdoor bleach. It runs for like it's like $4.99 a gallon or something, but it's got some good stuff. What it'll do is here over the next 10-15 minutes, it'll totally dissolve any kind of leaf staining, and you're gonna get it. You know, oak trees. Anyways, everything went well. Time to head home.